employers, welcome to the Jobringer portal, your one-stop solution for connecting with active job seekers. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to register as an employer on our platform, and that is completely free of charge. So, let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to www.jobringer.com. Now here on the home page, there is a register for free button. Locate and click on it. Now add your business email ID and proceed to create your employer account. This is the registration window. Over here, we have 4 types of employer type: direct, individual, recruitment agency, and independent. Your email ID will automatically appear over here. Set your password and confirm it. Add your company name and your company URL or website, like so. Now add your company logo. Just click on this button, select the image, resize accordingly, and crop. Now add company description. Select industry type and then employee strength. Continue. Now you have to add your business location details, your state, city, PIN code, official address. Now add your GST details. If you have GST number, just add your GST number and PAN number. If you don't have, select no and add your PAN number. And then continue. Now add your GST number and PAN number. Continue. Now add your contact details, contact person name, designation, mobile number, landline number if you have, and then alternate email ID. Continue. Over here, you have to upload your company profile. Choose file and select the document. Now you have to upload your business verification document. Select and upload. Now if you have your social media links like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, just add all the links over here. Preview. Now before you hit the register button, take a moment for some last minute re-edits. Recheck it and register. Congratulations, you have successfully registered as an employer on the Jobringer portal. You can start posting once your profile is approved and your free services will be activated. Thank you.